Safe Ride ATV and UTV safety training bring you another do-it-yourself project for your ATV or UTV. In this video, we're going to go over the Tiger Tail tow system by KFI Products. The Tiger Tail fits into any 2-inch receiver hitch. It has 3 different holes for adjustment, and then you just pin it in like you would any other towing ball system. It weighs approximately 5 pounds. It has 12 feet of 3/4-inch tow nylon cable, which is rated at 12,000 pounds of pulling strength. So after you install it into your receiver hitch, you'll notice that there's a hook at the end of the Tiger Tail. You want to take that loose, and then you just basically pull it out. It's on a spring-loaded keeper system, so as there's any slack, it will pull the slack and rewind it onto that spool. You have to pull it all the way out, all 12 feet, before you can tow somebody. This is a auto-retracting wheel, so if there's no tension on it, it auto spools. And so the way this thing is going to work is it has a hook and spindle right here. It's already woven into it. So you pull out just a little bit of slack, and then you can pull that hook loose. And then from there, I'll come back and show you a minute what it looks like from a distance. But you can just see the rope coming off. Now this has to extend all the way out before you can tow. So I'm just going to keep pulling it out the full length. Now the beauty of this system is if you've ever towed anybody else and they don't know how to tow, or they're not paying attention and they let slack get in the line, normally the rope or chain, whatever you're using, will drag on the ground, and then you have 2 things that are going to happen. One will allow slack to get in the line, and then they'll run over the rope. Then when it gets tight, it breaks the chain, breaks the tow rope. If the person that's being towed fails to keep up the amount of pressure, so they're not applying brake, what this will do, it will automatically start reeling the rope up. You're ready to start towing again. They apply brakes, go ahead and extend back out and allow you to put pressure on this without the rope ever going underneath the wheel. Extended, it's going to look like that, and like I said, it will hold up to 12,000 pound load. So any ATV, UTV, it's going to be more than adequate. If they allow slack in the line, it will automatically rotate up, and I'm just going to let the whole thing go, and it'll retract it up so that it's all the way up in there. Now to clean it, make the rope look a little bit better and feed out better, I'm going to hold it from side to side like you would a winch cable and let it spool up a little bit on either side so it's not all up in one spot. And when you're done, you want to have it turned where the hook is facing up. Let the metal piece go up in there, clip that in, and that's all you have to do. I'm going to pull the Tiger Tail out and hook it up to the frame on one of the tow points, or you can attach it using a soft shackle. One thing you should never do is hook it directly up to the winch cable and use that to tow with. Connection point, it's built in. It's a ring that is welded onto the frame. That's exactly what it's designed for. So once you have the rope connected and you are ready to go, you want to do a quick brief to the rider of the second vehicle. Tell them to watch out for your brake lights and always be aware and ready to put the brakes on at a moment's notice. I would never tow more than 10 to 15 miles an hour. If you get going much faster than that and you do have to stop or slow down, that's not a lot of reaction time. 12 feet doesn't give the rider of the second vehicle time to react. So if you found the information in this video helpful, please like, share, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already joined our channel. We will be sharing more videos shortly. Any comments would be appreciated.